All right, guys, welcome back to another video. I hope all of you are doing great today. And first of all, if you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe right now, like this video, and also press the notification bell because every single day we are uploading real challenge videos, real account results, and real automated trading sessions. Now, guys, today is challenge day 5, and honestly, this journey is becoming very interesting day by day. If you have watched the previous videos, then you already know that we started this challenge with just $100 and slowly, step by step, we are growing this account using our automated Deriv DBot strategy. So yes, guys, welcome to day 5. Right now, we are starting today with approximately $247 because after completing day 4 successfully, we managed to grow the account from $100 to around $247. And today, our goal is simple. We continue the same process. We stay disciplined, and we try to grow the account even more. Now, one thing I always tell people is this: consistency is more important than speed. Most people want fast results, but they don't want to follow a proper system. That is why many people fail in trading. But when you follow structure, calculations, and discipline, things start becoming different. And honestly, guys, if we are making progress like this step by step, then you can also learn and start your own journey. If you want more information about our system or our bot, then you can message us directly on WhatsApp. And if WhatsApp is not available for you, then you can contact us on Telegram as well. We try our best to reply quickly because many people are joining the community every day. Now, let's talk honestly for a moment. The world right now is becoming difficult. Prices are increasing, jobs are unstable, and because of wars and economic pressure, people are constantly searching for ways to create another source of income. And this is exactly why more people are entering online businesses, digital skills, and automated systems. Now, when it comes to trading, the biggest problem with manual trading is emotion. People become greedy after winning. People become scared after losing. And many people destroy their accounts because of emotional decisions. But here everything is automated. The bot follows calculations. The bot follows rules. The bot follows structure. And that is why automation becomes very powerful when used correctly. Also remember, guys, this is not our first successful challenge. Previously, we completed another challenge where we turned $5,000 into $20,000. And yes, we also made withdrawals successfully. You can watch all those videos on the channel. Now let's begin today's session. As you can see on the screen, first we check the predictions, analyze the conditions, and after that, we move to the Deriv DBot platform. Today, we selected Volatility 25 ones, and after analyzing the market properly, we applied our setup. Our stop loss for today was approximately $30, and our take profit was around $60. Everything was calculated carefully before starting the session. And now, as you can see, the bot is running automatically. Trades are executing one by one based on the setup and the strategy. Now, guys, I want to say something important. Many people spend years only watching videos, thinking about starting, but never actually taking action. And honestly, opportunities do not wait forever. If you really want to improve your financial situation, then at some point you need to start learning something seriously. Nobody becomes successful overnight. Everything takes patience, discipline, and consistency. And one thing I learned is this: people who stay consistent eventually see progress. Now, another important thing is mindset. A proper system can guide you, but your mindset decides whether you continue or quit. Many people jump from one strategy to another every week, and that is why they never grow. But when you stay disciplined and follow one proper structure, things slowly start improving. That is exactly why we continue this challenge publicly, so people can actually see the process day by day. And honestly, guys, our goal is simple. We want more people to start learning, start understanding automation, and create opportunity for themselves. That is why we also built our website. You can see the website domain in the video. And many people are already becoming part of this journey. Also, if you want to watch previous challenge days, then make sure you visit the channel because all challenge videos are uploaded there. Now, guys, let's finally announce today's results. Today, our bot executed a total of 117 trades. Out of those 117 trades, 109 trades were won, and only 8 trades were lost. And from approximately $247, we generated around $60 profit today. Honestly, this challenge is becoming insane now, because step by step, we have now grown this account from $100 to more than $300. And remember, guys, this is still only challenge day 5. As the account balance increases naturally, the profit potential also increases step by step. Challenge day 5 completed successfully, and once again, we close the session in profit. And yes, guys, as you can clearly see, we are trading on a real account. This is not demo trading. This is real execution. The bot is still running, and everything works through API integration, which helps the system manage trades properly and control multiple consecutive losses. And that is why having a proper automated system matters. Now the decision is yours. If you're serious about learning, serious about starting, and serious about building another opportunity for yourself, then this is the right time to begin your journey. Get the bot, start learning, and message us on WhatsApp or Telegram for more information. And once again, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and press the notification bell, because